In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put the calendar on your desktop in Windows 10. Having your calendar always visible on your desktop can make it much easier to keep track of dates, appointments, and deadlines without constantly opening separate apps. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through a simple way to have quick calendar access right from your Windows 10 desktop. First, let's start with the built-in calendar that comes with Windows 10. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen on the taskbar, where you can see the time and date. Click once on the date and time. A small panel will slide up, showing a monthly calendar along with any events from your linked accounts. This is the default Windows calendar flyout. If you want this calendar to feel more like it's on your desktop, the easiest method is to pin the calendar app so it's always just one click away. To do this, click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the Start menu, scroll through the list of apps until you find the Calendar app. When you see it, right-click on it. In the options that appear, click on Pin to Taskbar. You should now see the calendar icon on your taskbar at the bottom of the screen. From now on, whenever you want to see your calendar, just click that icon. For a more desktop-like feel, you can resize and position the calendar window. Click the calendar icon to open it. Then drag the edges or corners of the window to make it smaller and place it in a corner of your screen. For example, the right side, so it looks like a panel. If you like keeping it visible while you work, you can leave this window open in that position. You can also pin the calendar app to your Start menu for even faster access. Right-click the calendar app again in the Start menu and choose Pin to Start. This will create a live tile that shows the current date and upcoming events when you open the Start menu. To make the calendar more useful, take a moment to sign in with your Microsoft account, or add other accounts such as work or school. Inside the calendar app, go to the Settings gear, choose Manage Accounts, and add the email accounts that contain your events. This way, your desktop accessible calendar will stay up to date across all your devices. That's all you need to put a convenient calendar on your Windows 10 desktop, making it much easier to stay organized throughout your day.